is a trait embedded deep within the psyche, a need for novelty, for endless excitement. For women, emotions are the compass guiding their desires, and novelty is the flame that fuels their intrigue. For some, it's simple, they seek stability, predictability, but for many women, it's the lure of the unknown, the thrill of change that draws them in. Relationships grow stable without it. Interactions fade, and they search for something to spark that flame. It is not just satisfaction, it's about the rush, the emotional highs and lows. Change offers that thrill, that spark. It's like an addiction to the roller coaster of emotions. And this is where you come in. To understand her nature is to hold the power to captive, to give her that sense of unpredictability, that sense of what's next. The emotional creature craves what's just beyond her reach, something that promises excitement, change, and new heights. You hold the key to her intrigue by embracing novelty, by never letting her settle into routine. Keep the emotions high, the experience fresh, and she will never let go. This is a secret to captivating her nature, endless excitement, endless desire. She is wired to seek it, and you can be the answer she will never tire of. Follow for more.